First, I was in the military, and the military offers like a program right before you get out, so you have an easier transition. And caliber collision was one of the options. And I knew I wanted to be in a trade, I just wasn't sure what trade. And so when I looked into it and I met with the people, I was like, okay, this is the one I wanted to do. Initially coming out of the military, it's like, I feel like if you talk to any veteran, it's depressing. It's like heartbreaking. It's like a bittersweet type feeling because you're leaving like a second family basically. But I feel like coming into TAPS and caliber collision, changing lanes, it was helpful because it's kind of like I wasn't even out. I just had like a different place of duty. This is the location I wanted. When you start out with your repairs, you start really small. Like they give you like a 1 hour dent and then you go bigger. Like the first time you try it, you get frustrated, but now I could do it within, I don't know, a little bit amount of time. Once you get the repetition down, keep doing it over and over, it builds your confidence. When the car is all done, I can see how everything looks. I think that's my most happiest.
She's got that, she cares. Sit back, look at something, and go, man, I fixed that. She's got that. That's why she's got that leadership mentality. That's why she'll succeed, because she has that drive. And she does it for her kids and her family and all that, her husband.
As a team, we have a lot of fun. We goof around. We're pretty close. We have like shop lunch together every day. I've opened up more where I can have more conversations with people versus before it was like someone talking to me and me not talking at all. We help each other out, like especially if like one of us is like really slow, we'll just go to the other one and see what they need done. Or even if like we are busy, all we gotta do is say, hey, can you give me a hand? And we will. My favorite kind of repair is the harder ones, because then once you fix it, you like see it done, and you're like, okay, I did that.
Some of her stuff's better than the guys I've seen do it for years. And she's only been doing it for a little bit of time. So I can only imagine as she progresses, I mean, she's gonna be amazing. She'll probably end up taking my job. And that's when I can be proud.
In the next few years, I'd like to see myself like one of the A-techs, like really good. I talked to my husband, like I've talked to him a lot and told him like I was happy that the military provided a way. Like I was happy I joined in the first place because now I'm here and I have something to fall back on for, you know, to provide for my boys. And then maybe one day I can teach them this kind of stuff and they'll want to be body men.